M0FXB, welcome to my channel. We're with the Icom ID880 and you can see my DV Mega hotspot. And what we're going to do is add my hotspot just using the software. Now we have uploaded the repeater list as well. If you look here, there's a repeater list and all you do is go to downloads, repeater list, enter your location. At the moment it's easier, it's working better if you just put in your coordinates. There seems to be a problem with the with entering the actual name of your town. I'll just put some rough coordinates in there, look up location, and then select the radio. I'm on the 880, E880, and click download. And then when you're on your software, you will just go File, Import, select that file that's just been made for you down here, and away you go. So there's my hotspot there. So let's, and the Pi-Star system. So let's add our hotspot. So the first thing we've done, now this is not DR mode, this is using memory channels. So the first thing we're going to do is, I'll just show you what I've done actually, that's probably the easier way. Click number 1, and it doesn't have to be number 1, but click a channel that you want to change or edit. Put the name in, then move along with your slider at the bottom here, like so. And if we go by just the CQ one, what I did was I created a channel on my memory of the same as my hotspot or frequency, which was 433550. There it is there, 433550 minus duplex, but it's a 0 shift and then hotspot. When we slide over, once you've done that, then you click here, just double click and you'll open up this window. So what you want to do is select the channel you created and call it that you called hotspot, click OK, then click here and you want to select what you want to do with it. So in the your call sign, you have this selection, it says call sign. You need to select what you want to do. So we need to have one call sign that is going to link us to a reflector, and I've got a couple here, reflector 01 and 30. You do need the CL, and then when you're talking you need CQ. So you basically need at least 2 channels if you do it via memory. So click OK. I'll show you this channel here, where you've got reflector 1 Charlie as the yaw, then repeater 1 is M0FXB, 2 spaces, then B, and then repeater 2, 2 spaces, then G. Now you can select group, and there's a way of doing that on the radio. Okay, now let's just show you the your call sign section. So this is where you would need to put your call sign first, or my call sign. So look, M0FXB, and I put in that it will say 880D when I'm transmitting. Then underneath your call sign, now this is very important, and these were uploaded to my radio from the software, so that was quite good. And I did have to tweak them slightly, so I wanted to have 30 Charlie. So all you do is click the one you want to change, double click it, and you just remember it's 8 digits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's just say we'll add another one that I like to use for testing. So let's just do it here under number 9. Now, it would make sense really to keep these in channel numbers, but anyway, number 9. So double click and say I wanted to do link to 12 Charlie. I would go reflector. You always need the 0, 1, 2, and then CL. Okay, and then now when I key the mic, it will allow me to do that. So let's go back to my memory channels. Let's create a new one. So this one here, we're going to call it hotspot. We know that the radio has a memory channel that's the same as my hotspot. Then we're going to go straight across and start clicking here. And we're going to click access repeater. And what we're going to do is go to group 1 and we're going to select my hotspot like so. And click OK. It's selected my hotspot. Now we're going to select over here CQ like so, and we're going to look for that one that we've just created, which was 12. If we go down, reflected 12 Charlie, wasn't it? It's got to find where I put it. There it is there, U09, double click, click OK. Then click OK again, and look, so what it's done, it's already put in reflector 012 Charlie, M0FXB and M0FXG, so it's done all the work for you. All we got to do is just give this name so we can remember it. So we'll put in 12, like so, if it fits. What I'll do is I'll delete a couple of characters, just so it fits. So we'll call it hot 12, like so. Yeah, we've done that. So that's hot. Let's just get it right. Hot 1, hot 1, and then here hot 2, 12. So we know to find it. Then we're going to send that to our radio. So we'll go pick this one here and then write to transceiver. Boys, stop making noise and opening drawers. Okay, whatever. Yeah, but don't make noise. What's that frozen for? For some reason it's blooming stopped, so I've got to make the last bit in a separate video. Okay, that's in the radio. We get that message and we have to reboot the radio. Just turn it on and off. Like so. 145, and then we'll now go back into memory mode by pushing M call, second green button along. That's my hubnet node, but go to the one we created that was called 12. There it is there. Now, with a bit of luck, we'll key the mic, and we'll go to my dashboard here. Let's go. Let's key the mic and see if we connect. So, just keying up now. It says 12 Charlie. Let's hear the radio. So we're now connected. Now all we want to do, we want to know we actually are speaking on CQ UK. So what we'll do is just select. Hold down. That's it. So back. 5. Hold down DR. Let's just get it back in. We wanted to get ourselves back to CQ. There it is there. Get back to CQ UK. So now when we talk, M0FXB, people will hear us because the radio is saying CQ UK. So that's it. I'm learning this as I go along. It's quite fascinating. It's learning D-Star, really from the nuts and bolts of D-Star. And I've made a few mistakes, but we're edging in the right direction. Bye for now, 7-3, all the best.